Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. This is a speaking lesson to practice oral expression. Today, we will practice what we learned before: bedroom objects and the grammar there is and there are.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to speak and practice.
Great. We will do this with 3 simple speaking exercises. First, shadowing helps you listen and repeat with good rhythm. Next, read aloud helps you read a short text clearly and confidently. Finally, describe the picture helps you use simple words to talk about what you see.
That sounds useful. I like short speaking practice.
Perfect, Nexo. Let's begin with shadowing. Shadowing. For shadowing, listen and repeat after each phrase. Try to copy the rhythm.
Okay. I will listen first and then repeat.
There is a bed. There are 2 pillows. The blanket is blue. There is a lamp. The lamp is on the nightstand. There is a clock on the wall. There are curtains by the window. The rug is soft. There is a mirror. The wardrobe is big. There is a dresser near the bed. One drawer is open. There isn't a chair. There aren't any books. Is there a pillow? Yes, there is. Are there 2 pillows? Yes, there are. Read aloud. Good work with shadowing. Now, we will do read aloud. Nexo will read the text first, and then you should pause the video and read it aloud slowly.
I am ready. I will read clearly. In my bedroom, there is a small bed with a blue blanket. There are 2 pillows on the bed, and there is a lamp on the nightstand. Near the window, there is a curtain and a soft rug. There isn't a TV, but there is a clock and a mirror.
Well done, Nexo. You did that very well. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and read the text aloud.
Take your time. Short pauses can help.
Describe the picture. Great job, everyone. Now we will describe the picture. Look at the image and try to use the words shown and the grammar we studied.
I will try. I can use simple sentences.
Yes, Nexo. You try first, and after that, the viewer will try.
In the picture, there is a bright bedroom with a bed near the wall. There are 2 pillows and a yellow blanket on the bed. Next to the bed, there is a nightstand with a lamp and a clock. There is a rug on the floor, and there are curtains by the window. On the left, there is a wardrobe, a dresser, and a mirror. One drawer is open, but the room looks clean and calm. That was a good challenge. The picture helped me speak more.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and describe the picture your way. Do not make it complicated. Use short and simple sentences. Bed, there is a bed. Lamp, there is a lamp.
You can do it. Little by little, it gets easier.
Exactly. Now pause and speak. Little by little, you will do it better.